Yeah, and Jano, right now I tell the gangster them, yo, stop shoot up a place, man. Stop shoot up the people, them. What I want to know? Really, you not get up and shoot up the people, them. So now shoot up people, so. Stop shoot up a bumper clad people, them, man. I want to know, everything. See, all I want to come out of me. I want to know. Stop shoot up the bumper clad people, them. And stop shoot up a little youth, them, and then sitting there. What kind of idiot sitting them there? You understand? So this is a message to the man, them, who shoot up a place. Stop shoot up a bumper clad place. You understand? You still not kill granny and all, baby and them sitting there. Stop shoot up a bumper clad place. What I'm to know? You understand? You're not fool. On the fufu so. You understand? You go do some farming and sitting, man. You understand? What I'm to know? Every day, a gunshot on our bus, When we go to a plant to see that sitting, I want to know. Bumbo cleat, man. You understand? Get the people them a rascal rest, man. Every day people them get up, the people them grilling and everything. And the people them still yard that still get bun down on them bumbo clad thing there. When you stop the bubble clad thing, them, man. Stop shoot up the bumbo clad people them. You understand? You see people them a go to market and walk and do them sitting. When you go do sitting, you find sitting down a bumbo, lazy blood cleat. Get up and when you go do sitting. You understand? When you afraid for clean floor, you know, some men afraid for clean floor, yeah? Yeah? And a slavery time, you understand? If you go clean 2 floor, man, I go pay you, you understand? So I want to some boy, you understand? Go and stop jealous man for them things and go learn for work. You understand? And the teeth in like a blood cleat, you understand? And no move on a blood cleat. You understand? Who alone will call themselves gangster? And none of the gangster nothing. You understand? Why none of the gangster the government and go run the country? You understand? One of the gangster nothing. All they can do is rob people when on a gun to defend themselves and then sitting there. I idiot sitting them there. Stop it. You understand? No. I want to know. Oh no, I go so. You understand? No go high school and have mama and have papa on yourself and have family. I want to know. You understand? When you never know to learn how to use a pen and pencil and paper or machete, go weed up land or go paint house or go jerk chicken or go do something. Want to know? Stop shoot up your bumbo clad people, man. Want to know, Virgin? How so much people are dead? What want to plant? A dead man on our plant, on the things so no one to plant and I got blood clot reap, on the move on the blood clot, you understand about that gangster. Stop shoot up the bumbo clot people,